2 to 3 ways to make 10% or more on your money.
Well, cryptocurrency is the new way that people are making a lot of money.
Okay.
Staking is what it's called.
Okay.
Where you're basically earning percentages on your money, just letting it sit.
You can use that with Coinbase or...
Coinbase has a couple of different things, but usually you have to get a little bit away from Coinbase, but you can purchase your cryptocurrency through Coinbase.
Okay.
And there's a lot of different staking companies. So you just type staking in the search engine, a lot will come up.
I think next...
And I can give you some recommendations later. We'll look them up and I'll show you some really good ones.
Okay.
And so staking is a really good way to make percentage on your money. That'd be like putting your money in a bank account and earning interest. That's technically staking. Okay. Usually it goes daily.
Okay. Oh,
so
awesome. All right.
Even better. The second one, what I do, what I recommend to a lot of people is you do sell put options on stocks. So an example is if you were like, let's say you like Amazon. Well, instead of buying the actual stock of Amazon, because Amazon fluctuates, but not a whole bunch.
Right.
You sell a put option on Amazon at a lower amount and you earn percentage interests on your money. And if it ever hits that low amount, worst case scenario, you own the stock and you were going to do something like that anyways. Right. Both of those things will get you at least like 10% a year on your money. The third way, you can always become like a cartel member and import drugs from Cuba.
I was thinking about that.
It's like, well, speedboat, martinis, the beach life, it's not so bad.
And the bikinis.
But yeah, those are the two ways that I usually recommend to most people.
Okay, awesome. Well, if you guys like the content we're throwing up, go ahead and drop us a like, hit the subscribe and the bell notification. And if you want more of a breakdown on options, comment below, let us know. Thanks again for watching your come up. Until next time.